Sir Alwin. So this is my team. Morning, sir. By the way, I am Bubel, and thank you for bringing your device in today. Before we start the diagnostic and repair process, I'd like to ask you a few quick questions. But first, I have the consent form here for you to sign, which authorizes the repair and backup process. Please read it, sir.
Pero pa natalibot sa asan mo din. Di ba ka kumapriso ni? Kasi yung ikaw mo na worried rin ko an. Customer name. Sige, padayon na. Sige, padayon. Sige. Sige, padayon.
First question, sir. Can you describe exactly what are you doing and when this first started happening? Any specific like an update, a spill, or what happened before this problem began?
We have two devices here. Actually, this first device is not mine, and I don't know what's the problem. This one is mine, and the problem of this is at first the keyboard is not working properly. When you press one button, it outputs different kinds of letters and symbols. It happened year 2023, so most likely 3 years ago. And after that, I did not touch this laptop for 3 years. I don't know what's the current problem right now, but the first problem, as I've said, the keyboard. And I tried turning this on last year, and I'm not sure if the battery is also damaged because there's a problem in the Okay, next question. Ano sa ito for the question mo rin?
Like if you need an update for or
Okay. Nagkaroon update.
need to an update for like
I'm not sure if this needs an update, but I think this doesn't need an update because the initial problem is the keyboard, or maybe, but maybe the update also caused a problem with the keyboard. I don't know. But I've tried updating drivers of keyboard, updating other drivers, but I did not fix the problem. And I also tried installing updates. Maybe the updates caused the keyboard to not work properly, but the problem is still the system.
Thank you, sir.
So, second question, sir, is so since we are going to perform a callback for you, which specific files or folders are your biggest priority? And are there any passwords or pins we'll need to log in and attach the fix?
You will go back up, right?
Yes, sir.
Sakto ba ka nung
Yes, sir.
It's okay if you do backup, but anyway, I already have backup of my files, so you don't need to do backup. But if it's necessary for your project, then you can. Anyway, the files here is not anymore used, not anymore necessary for my job and for my personal files.
What about the password, sir?
Password. You can change password anyway. Password can be changed.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
2,000 years later.
After diagnosing your phones or your laptop, sir, we find the problems and we discover that the PC needs one professional attention. And so we troubleshoot it, sir, and then we discover that the keyboard is not working well and it's not functioning, and we would like to format it, but we cannot. And then the components of your PC, sir, needs to be replaced because it's outdated and very old. But you can't afford the physical components. First reason is it is very costly, and your PC needs to needs to be repaired by a professional technician. And it can double the cost than a new computer if you would like to fix it. When you keep repairing it from time to time, your PC keeping your PC will downgrade and your productivity will decline if you still use this laptop. As a technician, we can say that we can fix your laptop problems. We're sorry to say this, but your PC needs replacement, sir. For that way, you can use well conditioned PC for your future purposes.
Since our knowledge are limited, we truly try to fix the laptop. We did disassemble and cleaning the components properly. Sad to say, we failed. We do believe that every experiences we've done is part of our learning process. There are no perfect in trying to fix the laptop, especially we are just started to learn new things. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Orasyon by Catherine.
Wala man tayo mag... Sagdanang yung bill ali ay. Saan ni Bill? Bill. Nalimot na Bill.